The kneeling single arm cable lat pull in is a good activation exercise to help isolate each lat and develop the mind to muscle connection to feel them working before hitting your back with other compound exercises like pull downs and pull ups. Here's how to do it properly. Select a lightweight, then attach a single D handle to a high pulley on a cable machine. With your body positioned perpendicular to the cable machine, grab the handle with one arm using a palms facing forward grip, with your arm reaching up and out at a 45-degree angle, then kneel on the floor. If you struggle with balance, you can also do this in a half kneeling stance by positioning the knee closest to the cable machine on the floor while bracing the outside knee with your other hand. Brace your core, keep your chest tall, and pull your shoulder down and away from your ear while ensuring a nice stretch in your lat. Think about driving your elbow down and back toward your torso. As you pull, you can also complete a side crunch if it helps you feel it more in your lat. Pause and squeeze the lat, then under control, slowly return to the starting position to feel a good stretch in your lat. Repeat for reps. If you want to see real results in the gym, it's time to stop doing random workouts and start following a structured plan. Try my workout app free for 7 days.